Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve class 7th maths chapter 1 integers exercise 1.1 questions from 1 to 5. Let's see the first question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. They have given one number line in which some places are marked and you have to find the temperature of that marked places. So first we will find what is the temperature of Lahu Splitty. To find, first we will check where is Lahu Splitty on the number line. It is between -10 and -5. Look here, Lahu Splitty is between -10 degrees Celsius and -5 degrees Celsius. So to find the temperature, we have to move, either we have to move from left to right or right to left. Here I'll move from left to right. So first I will go one step towards right. So -10, then if I am going towards right, then the value increases. And -10 will increase by 1 unit, that is -9, like this. So one step means -9 and the next step is -8. Here is Lahu Splitty. So the temperature at Lahu Splitty is -8 degrees Celsius. Now I have to find for Srinagar as well. So first check where is Srinagar. Srinagar is between -5 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius. So for finding the temperature, you have to go from -5 towards the right side. Okay, so I'll move like this. One step towards right side means it increases by 1 unit, that is -5 becomes -4, then -3, then -2, and here is Srinagar. So this is the temperature of Srinagar. So temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. The next is Shimla. They have given 5 degrees Celsius, so no need to calculate and all. So we can directly write +5 degrees Celsius. Next place is Ooty. Now look at Ooty. Ooty is between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. So I'll move from 10 to 15. Okay, so from 10 to one step, if I go one step, I'll get 11, next 12, next 13, next 14. And here is Ooty. So the temperature of Ooty is +14 degrees Celsius. So similarly, we can find for the place Bangalore. So here Bangalore is between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. So to find the temperature, I will move from 20 to 25 like this. 21, 22, and here is Bangalore. So the temperature of Bangalore is +22 degrees Celsius. Now I can write the Lahu Splitty temperature as -8 degrees Celsius, Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius, Shimla +5 degrees Celsius, Ooty +14 degrees Celsius, Bangalore +12 degrees Celsius. Next question is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? For that we need the previous data. So this is the previous data. I have taken all the temperatures of 5 areas. So first I have to write the temperature of hottest, then temperature of the coldest place, Then I have to find the difference between the hottest and the coldest. Look here, which one will be hottest? Bangalore, right? Bangalore is the greater value. And which one is the coldest? Here -8 is very less. So this is Bangalore is the hottest and Lahu Splitty is coldest. So I'll write temperature at the hottest place, that is Bangalore, is equal to plus 22 degree Celsius. Then temperature at the coldest place, that is Lahu Splitty, is equal to -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, these two things I just got from the question. Now look at the question. What is the temperature difference between? Here we have to find the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest. So what you have to do is you have to subtract the smaller value from the larger one. So for finding difference, check here, one is positive value and one is negative value. So from this we can easily find that positive value is always greater than the negative value. So I will write first positive, then for difference I will put minus symbol, and then the other value. Look here, temperature difference is equal to, I will write plus 22 degrees Celsius because this is bigger one. Then to find difference I will put minus, then the other value. So two negative symbols cannot be written side by side, so I put one bracket here, right? So 22 degrees Celsius minus bracket -8 degrees Celsius. So my next step will be to remove the brackets. Okay, plus 22 degrees Celsius will come as it is. Look here, bracket means multiplication. So minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Minus into minus is equal to plus. So I'll write plus here plus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now here only same sign is there, plus sign. So for same sign I am going to add the values and put the symbol whatever in the question. So look here, we have plus in the question, so in the answer I will write plus, and both are same sign, so I am going to add these two values like this. 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Finally you have to write the answer as, therefore the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place is 30 degrees Celsius. Next question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahu Splitty and Srinagar? So here they asked the temperature difference between Lahu Splitty and Srinagar. So for that we need the previous data. Here is the previous data. So first I will write the temperature of Lahu Splitty, then temperature of Srinagar. What is the temperature of Lahu Splitty? -8 degrees Celsius, and temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. So again look at the question. We have to find the temperature difference. For temperature difference I told you, you have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. It means you have to write the bigger one first. So here both are negative sign. Here how will you find which one is smaller and which one is bigger? So it is easy. You can check without symbol, just without symbol, check what is bigger and what is smaller. Here 8 is bigger, 2 is smaller. So I will choose -2 as the larger number, opposite. You have to choose the opposite number if the two symbols are negative. Okay. So temperature difference is equal to, I will write bigger number, that is -2 degrees Celsius, Then for difference, I'll put one minus here, and my another value is minus 8 degrees Celsius, like this. So my next step will be to remove the bracket like this. Minus 2 degrees Celsius will come as it is. Minus into minus is equal to plus 8 degrees Celsius. The different sign, I am going to subtract smaller value from the larger one, and I will put the larger number sign. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and the larger number is 8. Here the larger number is 8. So the symbol of 8 is plus. So I will put plus 6 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature difference between Lahu, Splitty and Srinagar is 6 degrees Celsius. So here we have seen that minus, if a number, any two number comes in minus symbol, so whatever, which number without symbol, just check the number without some symbol, which one is greater. If here 8 is greater than 2, but in our question both are in negative sign, so minus 2 will be greater than minus 8. You can draw a number line and you can mark minus 2 and minus 8. Minus 2 will come in the right side, and minus 8 will come in the left side. So minus 2 is greater than minus 8. Okay, next question is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? For that, we have to find the previous data. I have written all the previous data here. So they have asked the temperature, they have compared the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Taken together means what? You have to add these two temperatures. Then you have to compare the result to the temperature of Shimla. In the next step, you have to check whether this is less or not. If it is less, just write the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Or if it is not lesser than the temperature of Shimla, then you can write no, like this. Okay, we'll start the solution. First, I'll write temperature at Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius. Next is, I have to find the temperature at Shimla is plus 5 degrees Celsius. So in first question they have asked temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. So I am going to add these two values. So minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, like this. Here different sign. So I am going to subtract smaller value from the larger one. So 5 minus 2 is 3, and I will put the larger number symbol. Here the larger number is 5 and its symbol is plus. So answer is plus 3 degrees Celsius. So the temperature taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. I got one portion answer. Next is, I have to compare this value to the temperature of Shimla. For that, I'll check here. So here temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Look here, this is temperature at Shimla and this is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Just compare these two values. Here the temperature taken together 3 degree is less than the temperature at Shimla. So they have asked whether it is less or not. So this is less. This is less than. No. this value is lesser than the temperature at Shimla. So I'll write 3 degrees Celsius less than temperature of Shimla. Yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Just I have written this statement from the question itself. Okay, our next part. This is our next part. This is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? The same part I am going to write in my next slide. Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So for that I need the data. I have written all this data here. So first temperature at Srinagar, I will write like this, minus 2 degrees Celsius, and temperature taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. Just we have fine. Okay, next is we have to compare these two data. Which one is less? Srinagar is lesser than the temperature, combined temperature, right? So, but in the question they have given, is it less? No, this is greater. Look here, this is greater. Symbol is greater here. 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. Hence, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. You have to write like this. Next question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores is in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? They asked total. So there they have given some scores of Jack in a quiz. So and they have asked the total. Total means what? You have to add all the scores. So this is what you have to do this for this sum. This is also an important question. So Jack's score in 5 successive rounds are, so I have written all the scores like this. In the next line I will write with the symbol. (25, minus 5, minus 10, plus 15, plus 10). Here we don't have the symbol for 15. We don't have symbol for 15 here, and 10 also, then 25. So I will write plus symbol in front of these integers like this. Plus 25, minus 5 is there, minus 10 is in question, plus 15 and plus 10. So for solving these type of question, first I will add first 2 digits. No, first 2 integers like this. So I'll take 25 plus 25 and minus 5. The different sign means you have to subtract smaller number from the bigger one. So bigger one is 25, smaller one is 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20, and the symbol of bigger number is plus. So I will write plus 20. Is it clear? So first I have taken 2 integer plus 25 and minus 5. So both are different sign. So I am going to subtract smaller number from the bigger one. So 25 minus 5 is 20, and the symbol of the bigger number is plus. So I have written plus 20. And rest of the 3 numbers, here remaining numbers are 3, minus 10, plus 15, plus 10. I will write as it is. Look here. So again I will take first 2 digits like this. Plus 20 minus 10. So this is also different sign. For different sign I will subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So 20 minus 10 is 10, and the bigger number symbol is plus. So I will write plus 10, and remaining two numbers 15 and 10 as it is. Look here, we have three integers with same symbol. For same symbol we have to add. For different symbol only you have to subtract. This is all are same symbol. So I am going to add all these three integers and put the symbol whatever in the question. So here plus. So in my answer the symbol will be plus. So after adding all these three integers, I got 35, and the symbol is plus, or simply I can write 35. So 35 is the answer. Okay, next question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped means what? Some degree has reduced. You have to subtract the degree. Okay. Next, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? You have to find the temperature on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, what happened? It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. On Monday, it was minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, it reduced by 2 degrees Celsius, and on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. And what was the temperature on this day? So you have to find the temperature on Tuesday and temperature on Wednesday. Come on, let's write. First I'll write temperature on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So in my first statement they have given that on Tuesday it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Dropped means what? 2 degree reduced. It is reduced by 2 degree. Whatever temperature was on Monday, on Tuesday it reduced by 2 degrees Celsius. So for that I can write temperature on Tuesday is equal to temperature on Monday. Temperature, whatever temperature on Monday, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here I will put the values. Temperature on Monday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then reduce minus 2 degrees Celsius. Look here, same sign. For same sign, I am going to add these two integers. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Now it's time to put the sign. So whatever, same sign means whatever sign is in question, you can put. So here is minus sign. So my answer is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, on Monday the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now I have to find the temperature on Wednesday. For that they have given one clue. It rose, the temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. It rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So from Tuesday, from the temperature minus 7 degrees Celsius, it rose. Rose means what? You have to add 4 degrees Celsius. So the temperature on Wednesday, you can write as temperature of Tuesday plus 4 degrees Celsius. Our temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degrees Celsius, then plus 4 degrees Celsius. Like this you have to write. Here one is minus, one is plus sign. That is different sign. So I am going to subtract smaller number from the bigger one. Bigger number is 7, smaller one is 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. And I will put the larger number sign. Larger number is 7. So its symbol is minus. My answer is minus 3 degrees Celsius. So I got minus 7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday and minus 3 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. So these two are my answers. So finally I will write my answer like this. Therefore the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3 degrees Celsius respectively. After calculating all these things, you have to write the answer like this. Next question is, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. Here in this picture you can see one plane and one submarine, and from the sea level the plane is 5000 meter height. Although at a particular point it is exactly above the submarine flowing 1200 meter below the sea level, and the submarine is 1200 meter below the sea level. So here what you are going to find? You are going to find the distance between them, distance between the plane and the submarine. Okay, you just think the sea level is 0 and is above the sea level is positive value and below the sea level is negative value. So I am going to write this thing. Height of plane is equal to 5000 meter. This is positive value. Then height of submarine, depth of submarine is equal to minus. I have put minus here because it is below the sea level. So minus 1200 meter. So distance between plane and the submarine is equal to, I will write like this, 5000 meter minus then the depth of the submarine minus 1200. 5000 meter, here I will remove the bracket, minus into minus is plus 1200 meter. The same sign, so I am going to add these two things. So my answer will be 6200 meter. This is the answer. My next question is, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. They have asked two questions. If the withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, so obviously the amount that is deposited is positive integer. So like this we are going to solve this problem. Since the amount withdrawn is represented by a negative integer, the amount deposited will be represented by a positive integer. You have to write like this, and in the next step I am going to find the balance. So amount deposited is 2000, amount withdrawn is minus rupees 1642, because you are taking away money from the bank, so you have to write minus symbol here. Next is balance in Mohan's account is equal to money deposited plus money withdrawn. So I am going to put all these values, 2000, then this plus symbol, and in bracket minus 1642. Here plus 2000 plus into minus is minus 1642. So here different sign means what? You are going to subtract the smaller value from the larger value. So I got 358. So therefore the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is rupees 358. You have to write answer like this. That's all. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.